Welcome back to Good Life. Relations with your spouse need to be based on mutual respect and open communication. Constantly criticizing or patronizing your partner due to a false sense of superiority could have serious repercussions. Earlier, Mini Menon met Swati Desai Chaudhary visiting psychotherapists to find out how couples can deal with this.
Watch out for your sense of superiority. It may be compensating for something else for which you are feeling inferior, but to feel that sense of superiority, and that can become a big problem amongst couples. Like one person feels that my family is better than yours, or my taste is better than yours, or I know how to raise children better than you do. That's a very common problem, especially to parents who are both working. They are involved in raising the children to a certain degree. So for one spouse to think that I have some better knowledge about raising children than the other, these kinds of things can close people towards each other. If you look at good marriages, you'll see that the husband and wife take each other's influence. They recognize what the other person is doing well, and in that particular area they take the advice from the other person, or whatever the comments are made, they get influenced and they turn towards each other. And that is a very crucial part of, if you look at good marriages, good working marriages, that's a very crucial part.
Traditionally speaking, yes, women were meant to feel, as dependents on their husband, and husbands often use this as a tool. They felt that they were superior because they were the breadwinners, they managed house and the finances. But has that changed? Is this sense of superiority lesser now in couples where they are both working?
Yeah, when they are both working and they both understand that financially they need both, or even career-wise they want both spouses to work. Yeah, that sense is probably a little bit less in modern couples, at least not in an obvious way. But on the other hand, there are some other issues that are coming up, like raising children. In the past, raising children was totally the area that women took care of, and they felt good about it. Whatever happened in the house, where to put this painting over, that wasn't something that the men concerned themselves with. But now, both working spouses take care of the house, the children together. At least that's what they're expected to do, and as a result, they could be in competition with each other. And one person feeling I'm better than the other again can create big friction. Even in the work area, they may try to influence each other in a way that, I know better. Like husband may feel I know better about work. You need to be more aggressive about work. That's what he may be telling his wife.
Swati, when do you have to take this into consideration and again check this trend? Because very often you do it unknowingly.
Yes.
And then it becomes a pattern, and then it becomes too big to handle.
Yeah.
So when should you actually control it?
When you said something, when it becomes a pattern. So when it becomes a pattern, when you introspect where that pattern is coming from, you will know. If you get used to self-introspection, you will know that there is a sense of superiority that you're carrying inside you. That you think you know how to raise your children better, or you think you have better taste, or you think you know how to interact with people better, all these kinds of things. If you really look at yourself, you will know that there is a sense of superiority. I think people, when they sit down and think about it, they do come to know. Or take help from outside to know if there is any sense of superiority you're feeling.
Can inferiority also play an important role, especially when you have insecurities that come to the fore?
Yeah, and actually a sense of superiority means that there is some sense of inferiority, maybe not in the same area, but somewhere else. Like when you're feeling superior about, I know how to raise children much better, I have read child psychology or something like that, that may reflect an inferiority complex or insecurity in something else in which you're feeling inferior to your husband, like he earns more, or he knows how to be more successful at work, or I'm not working, he's working, or whatever it is. And because of that inferiority, you may try to compensate it by saying, okay, but I do this better, or I know how to do this better.
How should couples really tackle this?
The sense of superiority.
If there is a problem, just to recap our discussion, what would you recommend?
Yeah, like I said, anytime any strong issue like this comes up, you need to look at yourself. So in a relationship, watch out for your ego, meaning learn to let go of your ego. And also watch out for your sense of superiority whenever you feel that, by self-introspection. And when you do that, then learn to actually listen to the person and take his or her influence. So remember that it is very important to turn towards each other as opposed to rebel against each other. Keep that in mind, observe yourself and change it when it starts happening to you. When you start rebelling, you have to tell yourself that, look, maybe I need to listen to at least what he has to say.
Mutual respect is important, but equally important is to appreciate and be supportive of your partner. Next week, Swati will discuss that in a little more detail.